Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. You're watching Aru Gaming here. I'm back with another video. In this video we're going to check how to add the live subs count, that is a subscriber count of your YouTube channel in your live stream. So let's not waste the time, let's get started. For this one, let's open the Streamlabs. So we are going to stream with the help of Streamlabs, and I'm going to show how to add the subscribe live count on the stream or the live stream, what you do. So this is your interface of the Streamlabs right now once you open here. So to add the subscriber count you need to have 1 scene at least, and on the sources you go plus icon, click here. So once you click here you get options to add some of the tabs or the windows here. Just click on the browser source and add source. So I'm going to give a name, it has subs live count, to keep it professional and understandable. So here's the main picture. So for this one we need the URL to get the access. For that one you just go and log into your YouTube channel wherever you stream. So some might have more than 2-3 channels on their account. So once you get into the YouTube page you go to your channel, and there you can see that manage or customize the channel. From here you go to analytics. Once you click here you will see an option, what are all the options you're getting here. So here you see an option called see live count. Click on that. So once you click you will see the live count of the subscribers you're getting on your channel. Just copy this URL, just copy the link and paste it here. So again the link, once you click the option see live count you'll get this pop-up screen, and you have to copy this URL and paste it here. Okay, once you paste it, I've already logged in here so it's giving the direct page here, but for you it will ask you to log in to your YouTube account or the Gmail, whatever you're using with your YouTube. So you just have to put in your email address and enter your password, log in, and then you'll get this page once you log in. Okay, so we'll just click on close. It's added. So as you can see that it's added here. So I stream on the shots most of the time, so that's the reason it's in the 720 12282 720 pixel screen here. So here you cannot resize it or you cannot highlight that numbers here. So what you have to do is just right click on that one and you will see transforms and click on edit transforms. So once you see that, there will be a pop-up. You can see a message, the option called crop and everything here. Just click set up to 290 and 290 and 250 and yeah. So click on done. So as you can see here the only numbers is being highlighted. You can place it wherever you want as per your convenience. Okay, on the screen it is also the same to the complete the screen. Instead of shots you just go live to the 1080 pixel screen, so 1690 16:9. So it's the same as this one. Okay, so you can place it wherever you want, and most of the time you might get different thing. You just have to select a crop as per the screen you wanting. Okay, so this is more convenient for me because it just show the numbers of the subscriber list or the live subscribers count. So I most of the time I place it on the right side, on top right of the screen. So this is easier to me or the viewers to look at it. Okay, this is how you add the live stream live subscribers count to your stream or any of the stream you do. So please subscribe to the channel and like it if you like the video, and leave a comment if you have any questions on this one, and if you have any problems, please comment below and I'll try to solve that one. Until then, stay tuned. We'll be back with another video, and watch my live stream. It's going to be a new gameplay of the PlayStation 5, that is the Wukong Black Myth. So we'll be right back very soon. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned.